If you want to level up your productivity this year, then get ready, because today we're talking about some of the best Microsoft Word tips and tricks for 2025. These are simple features that many people overlook, but they can instantly make your documents cleaner, your workflow faster, and your writing more efficient. Stick around until the end, and if this helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tech tips. Let's start with one of the newest and most useful features: improved editor suggestions. In 2025, Microsoft Word's editor is now smarter than ever. It doesn't just correct grammar and spelling. It also gives clarity suggestions, alternative phrasing, tone adjustments, and even offers rewrite recommendations with a single click. So if you want your writing to sound more professional or more concise, simply highlight a sentence, open the editor panel, and instantly get polished suggestions tailored to your style. Another powerful trick for 2025 is using the enhanced designer layout suggestions. This feature automatically analyzes your document and gives recommendations on formatting, text spacing, color themes, and image placement. If you're not confident with design, or you want your document to look clean and modern in just a few seconds, simply click Designer. Choose a style you like, and Word will upgrade your layout instantly. It's perfect for reports, brochures, and academic papers. Next is one of my personal favorites: the upgraded Dictate tool. Many users don't realize how much faster they can work by speaking instead of typing. In 2025, Word now recognizes speech more accurately, supports more languages, and even adds punctuation automatically. All you need to do is click the microphone icon, start talking, and watch your ideas appear on the screen. This is great for writing long essays, brainstorming, or creating rough drafts without getting stuck on the keyboard. Another underrated feature is the ability to collapse and expand headings. If your document is long, you can turn your headings into clickable sections. Just hover over the heading, click the drop-down arrow, and collapse that part of your document. This keeps everything clean and easy to navigate, perfect for students, researchers, or anyone writing multi-page reports. Finally, don't forget about Quick Parts. This feature lets you save commonly used text, like signatures, document templates, disclaimers, or introductions. Instead of typing the same things over and over again, you can insert them with a single click. It saves time and ensures consistency across all your documents. And that's your quick guide to the latest Microsoft Word tips and tricks for 2025. These features can seriously boost your productivity, help you work smarter, and make every document look more professional. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more short and informative tutorials, and share this with someone who wants to learn more about Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Source: Microsoft Word 2025 feature updates and Microsoft documentation.